welcome to Sip or Spill. You need to pick up your questions.
Okay.
If you don't feel to answer, you try your best. Both the ways you have a disaster. If you don't answer, then your taste buds are gone by these juices.
Yeah.
So if you answer, tomorrow basically you're in the headlines. So either ways, अच्छा और खराब तो होने वाला है, आपको डिसाइड करना है क्या करना है, ठीक है? तो let's start. Pick up one.
Is there an option to skip?
No.
One actor you would never want to work again, and why? Shit. Who do I never want to work with? Shit,
You can tell. That's okay.
There was this guy, Manraj,
Okay.
and he was just playing he came for a while, but it was awful to work with him.
Okay. So you never wanted to work with him again?
Never. Don't even want to meet him anywhere.
Okay. Next.
Bach gaya. Okay. The most scandalous thing you have done on set.
Yeah.
Scandalous. I think मैं बस उसका पार्ट थी. मतलब मेरी गलती नहीं थी उसमें. But I was a part of it. मेरे सेट पे आके किसी ने तो बहुत कलेश किए थे. बहुत जोर जोर से चिल्लाया था. And my ex. तो पूरे सेट पे तमाशा कर दिया था. और मेरे को एक्टर को धमकी दी थी. गुंडों की. मुझे धमकी दी थी. So it was very bad. The whole set was very.
Which set was this?
Apollina
में. अच्छा. Okay, so 2 बज गए हैं. Next go, move forward. चलो.
हम कितने करे questions?
10.
10?
Yeah.
बाप रे. One rumor about you that is actually true. Well, the rumor is that that I got married, and that is true. So yeah.
Okay. Is there any rumor that you're dating someone?
No, I'm not dating anyone.
You're single.
I'm single and very happy.
Are you ready to mingle in some time?
In some time, yes. I would love to. Like, I love, but not with the wrong person. So I'll be more careful.
Already experienced.
Very, 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 very bad experience. I don't wish that upon my enemies.
Okay.
Hate that. Who's one co-star who pretends to be sweet but is the biggest red flag? I drink this. I don't want to name that person.
You can tell the show name.
No.
Show name to
बहुत easy है guess करना.
So you have done 2-3 shows which are very big. Apollina, Jadoo Hai Jinka, and 1-2 more. So you can tell the show names, na? What is wrong in that?
I'll rather drink. I don't want to name anyone in this.
Okay.
I'll drink the. Oh shit.
You need to drink full.
Cheers, guys.
Oh, that was a lemon.
Yeah.
Wow. How is it? Is it like his name?
Yeah.
Which you don't want to drink, but you had it.
I had to.
Next.
The aftertaste.
I said, no, you lose either taste buds or a headline. So you choose to lose a taste bud.
Have you ever got feelings for someone and regretted it? Yes. 100% yes. For a few.
Okay, for a few.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you name at least 1-2?
One is my ex.
Okay. तो शादी होके regret भी हो गया.
हाँ, बहुत major. But apart from that, I don't want to name that person, but he was in one of my shows.
Co-star.
Co-star नहीं बोलेंगे, but co-actors में से कोई. And liked him, but then I was like, such an asshole.
हाँ. So wrong choice में तुम फंस जाती हो अक्सर ये कह सकते
हाँ
हैं.
लड़के मतलब थोड़े.
You need then of course our Balaji Astro guide who can guide you to the right path.
Yes, I need that.
मजा तो आ रहा है. We can continue in 15.
मेरी पोले खुलवाओगे तो पोले खुल रही है. Shit. The one role you wish you never played. Name please. ऐसे मैंने कोई रोल किया नहीं है जो मुझे लगे कि करना ही नहीं चाहिए था. ऐसा actually कोई रोल नहीं. I'm very happy and glad that I did what I did. And I'm glad that I was a little picky sometimes, but I'm really happy. All the characters I've played, even if I would say whatever recent work also, whatever I've done, even in verticals or whatever, it's good.
It's
Touch
good.
wood. I like acting यार, मेरे को मजे आते हैं acting करने में बस. तो मुझे कुछ नहीं करना. बच गई.
Next.
Name one co-star who gave you advice about your recent personal life drama that was actually terrible and unhelpful. Okay. A lot of them didn't even call, which I was expecting. Because regardless, आपकी बात होती हो ना हो, but
Yeah,
you
for
should
the wishes.
call. हाँ, मतलब you should just ask if I'm okay or not because it was huge and it was very sad. तो मैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा upset थी, but friends could have called, even though अब बात नहीं हुई. But terrible और unhelpful तो कोई नहीं था. Everybody was very sweet. In fact, मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा. बुरे वक्त में ना आपको समझ आता है कि
Who are the right
कौन?
people? हाँ.
मुझे ऐसा लगा
That's
था जो
perfectly.
लोग लगे थे कि कॉल करेंगे पूछेंगे
वो कभी नहीं किए.
कॉल किया मतलब वो गायब हो गए लाइफ से.
ऐसे होता है.
I couldn't
जैसे
believe
एक्सपेक्ट
it.
हो रहा था वो नहीं हुआ.
And वो लोग जिनसे मेरी इतनी बात भी नहीं हुई होगी शायद, like Samiksha is one of my friends and a lot others who showed up. हे भगवान क्या राज करवाओगे? I'm good. एक ही अभी तक पीना पड़ रहा है.
Yeah.
Name one project you took strictly for money only, even though you knew the script would be off air in a few months. Verticals के लिए मुझे ऐसा ही feel होता है कि क्या ही script है, कुछ की, कुछ अच्छे भी होते हैं, but a lot of times I'm like,
कर लो.
अभी, let's just do it.
Like हाँ, फ्री में बैठने से अच्छा कर.
हाँ, like you're busy, you're working, which is also good for your mental health. So I like that. Otherwise, सिर्फ पैसे के लिए तो कुछ नहीं. देखो कलीरे भी बहुत अच्छा था. मेरा first project था. जादू है जिनका के लिए I waited for 7 months, but the show was super hit and it was beautiful. रब से दुआ happened.
Why जादू है
magically.
जिनका second did not work out so much?
जादू तेरी नजर ना.
Yeah.
Because me and Vikram were not there.
Oh, okay.
दे दिया इसमें मैंने मसाला.
One thing you regret in your life, but still at last you say I don't regret. What was that?
12th of November.
That's the wedding day?
Yeah.
Okay. Throughout your life, how many dates have you done till now?
I have dated 4 people. And dates पे तो वैसे गई हूँ मैं, but I'm talking about relationships. I've had
Relationship
4
dates.
relationships.
Okay.
Very serious ones only. I date to marry. I don't date to just.
तो चारों में तुम्हें एक ही पसंद है जैसे शादी भी, बाकी
नहीं,
किनका
नहीं.
क्या हुआ?
एक को करियर से प्रॉब्लम था कि मुंबई नहीं जाना. And I was too young and ambitious. I was like, मैं तो जाऊँगी मुंबई, ब्रेकअप करने ओके बाय.
Okay.
Then the other one was cheating on me. And another one was a kind of, he became a saint. He was like, I don't want to marry ever. And he was like really elder to me. And he was, I don't want to marry. I can't marry. अगर मैं वो होगा तो मैं जंगलों में चला जाऊँगा and all that bullshit he started. And he was like, why are you so obsessive? Too much fights. And I was like,
Okay, the last question of Sip and Spill. How many hookups you have done?
none. No hookups. I've been in relationships, but no hookups. Because
In your life?
In my life.
Even if you have traveled, no hookups?
No hookups. That's very strange, but yes, because I am a demisexual. If you know that what that means. If I'm in love only, then I can have something more. Otherwise, I'm like.